A warm welcome to everyone from the SalesPanda team. In this particular segment of our series, we will learn in depth about LinkedIn marketing. We all know that LinkedIn is a platform where professionals across the globe connect, interact, and collaborate. LinkedIn has over 675 million plus professionals active on the platform globally, including executives from all Fortune 500 companies. There are more than 30 million companies on LinkedIn. There are 64 million plus Indian professionals on LinkedIn. If you are in the B2B marketing, then LinkedIn is the best platform and should be a part of your digital marketing strategy. B2B Markets reported that 80% of their social media leads came from LinkedIn. Not only that, B2B marketers consider it to be the best platform to share content. Even if you are providing B2C services, you can leverage LinkedIn for personal branding, building relationships, networking with high net worth individuals, decision makers, leaders, and influencers within your industry. Let's look at how we can set up a LinkedIn profile. When LinkedIn was launched, it was an extension of a professional's resume. Since then, LinkedIn has evolved. Yet, many professionals use it as an online resume. It is more than that. If used well, LinkedIn can be an excellent platform for individuals to create a personal brand, demonstrate expertise, establish credibility, highlight individual achievements, and position self as an industry thought leader. The first step in achieving these goals is to have an AllStar LinkedIn profile. AllStar profile is a term LinkedIn uses to indicate a complete profile containing all the important details. Let's start building an AllStar LinkedIn profile. The first step is to sign up with a valid email address and set a password. Then, add your first name, last name, and set your location. Then, add your current company and job title. Confirm your email ID for verification purposes. Let us skip it for now. Let us now add a cover photo. A good LinkedIn photo ideally should be a headshot and should look more professional. The LinkedIn prompts you to connect with your teammates. Let's skip it for now. The next step is to add your job title, location, and phone number. LinkedIn will suggest connections and hashtags based on the details shared by you until now. Please select the ones that are relevant to your industry and connect with people who you want to. Later in the video, we will look at how to send a connection request to someone in detail. Now, you are on your LinkedIn profile's homepage. Let us now start filling up the other important profile sections. Check the pencil icon on the top right corner to add a banner image. Make sure that the banner image highlights your brand or communicates what your business is about in a short yet impactful way. The default headline of your profile is your latest job title followed by the company. You should, however, change the headline and structure it to communicate how you add value to your customers. Your job title and profile are mentioned below in the summary section of the visitors to go through. Hence, use the headline section as a short elevator pitch about yourself or your brand. The next step is to add your educational qualifications. LinkedIn also allows you to add media to your profile, wherein you can feature your best work in the form of images, presentations, videos, or a link to your personal or professional website. Add more details to your current job profile by adding details about roles and responsibilities and job duration. Add more details in the contact info section like your contact number, office address, date of birth, etc. Another great feature of LinkedIn is the ability to add links to other websites. You can add a link to your personal website, blog link, Facebook page, Instagram account, YouTube channel, etc. Now, add skills to your profile. You can add up to 5 skills to your LinkedIn profile. Add skills that display your strengths and expertise. The next step is to add a summary. It's like a brief introduction of your professional journey. Focus on how you help your customers, what problems you solve for them, and a brief about your achievements in your journey. Make it interesting and engaging to read. That's it. You've created an AllStar profile. This will help you increase your profile visibility by 3x. An important aspect of LinkedIn is hashtags. LinkedIn hashtags help you discover topics that interest you. You can select the hashtags you want to follow. You'll start seeing in your feed the updates, the posts that include the hashtag. You can search using hashtags as well. In the search bar at the top, enter the hashtag you want to know more about. For example, hashtag financial services and hit enter. It will take you to the hashtags feed where you can see all content related to it. Click the follow button to follow the hashtag to see the content related to it in your LinkedIn feed. You can search and follow other industry relevant hashtags or those related to the topics that interest you. Now, let us start building our network on LinkedIn. Click on Find Connections. LinkedIn suggests certain contacts to connect with based on the details shared earlier. LinkedIn search can be a very powerful tool to find the connections you want to connect to. Click on All Filters. Here you have multiple filters to refine your search results. In Connections, you can select first, second, or third degree connections. First degree connections are those you are connected to and are a part of your LinkedIn network. Second degree connections are first level connections of your connections but not connected to you. Third degree plus connections are second level connections of your first level connections but not connected to you. You can search using a specific connection whose first, second, or third degree connections you want to appear in the search result. You can also filter using location. You can also find people currently working in a company or were previously working at a company, the industry they work in, a university they have attended, their interests or services they offer. You can also search by their first name, last name, title, company name, or school if you have those details. In the first example, I'm searching for all the chief executive officers on LinkedIn from India. Let's look at one more example. In this one, we look for chief executive officers located in Mumbai or New Delhi and from the financial services industry. In the next example, let's apply some more filters. Let us search vice presidents based in India, working in multiple industries and providing different services. The filtered search is a very useful tool to find the right audience. Go ahead. Use various combinations of the filters to find the right connections and build your network. Let us now look at how to add your teammates. On your home page, below your profile photo, there is an option to add teammates. You can add your reporting manager, other teammates, people who report to you, or other colleagues across the organization on LinkedIn. In this case, we just hit the connect button to send an invite. However, we recommend to always send a personalized connection request. Let's say I visit a profile of a person I want to connect to. On the right hand side, just adjacent to their profile photo, you have a button More. Click it and select Connect from the drop-down menu. Here, there is an option to add a note. This note will go as a message along with the connection request. In the note, mention how you know the person and why you want to connect with them. A customized note increases the chances of your connection request being accepted. You can also join groups on LinkedIn and interact with people in the groups. I would like to share with you an interesting hack about LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn has placed restrictions on sending messages to people who are not connected to you. However, if you are a part of a group, you can send a message to any of the group members. Keep in mind that your message clearly communicates why you want to connect with the concerned professional. Now, let's look at some changes in settings that can help your profile be more visible. Click on your photo on the top right corner of the window and click Settings and Privacy. On the right hand side, click the Edit Public Profile option. When you create your profile, by default, LinkedIn assigns your name and a number to it. You can change it, edit it, and claim your custom LinkedIn profile URL. It should be your name or a variation of it. Set it to something that is easy to remember and share with others. Below that, you can see that the public profile visibility is set to On. If you are open to networking with people on LinkedIn, keep this on. It makes it easy for others to find you. However, you may choose which aspects of your profile should be visible and to whom. You can create a public profile badge and integrate it with your website. The detailed procedure for it is mentioned here. Follow the steps and add the profile badge on your website. This is about the settings. Let's post our first content on LinkedIn. On your LinkedIn homepage, click on Start a Post. In addition to the text, you can add an image or a video or a document to your post. Make sure you add relevant hashtags to your posts. Add only 3 to 5 relevant hashtags in a post to achieve good results. Below the post, you can also see the option to write an article. This is a space that you can use for publishing articles and blogs on LinkedIn. Write insightful, well-researched, and interesting blogs that will position you as a thought leader in your industry. It will add more credibility to your personal brand. That's all about the LinkedIn profile. In our next video, we will look at how to create a LinkedIn page. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents, and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals, including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.